Before the self-determination era, government policies toward Indians focused on suppressing Indians' right to practice their historical and culturally significant ceremonies and beliefs. From the 1800s to the mid-1900s, in the United States as well as Canada, Indian children were often sent to Indian residential schools with the specific goal of forced assimilation into European American culture. As part of the wider cultural movement that was taking place in the 1960s, the self-determination era ushered in a change of government policies that focused on supporting traditional Indian culture and rejecting harmful policies that stripped Indian tribes of their cultural identity. In 1978, Congress passed the American Indian Religious Freedom Act. The goal of this act was to protect and preserve Indian rights to access sacred religious sites throughout the country, use sacred objects, and worship through traditional tribal ceremonies. However, the American Indian Religious Freedom Act lacked any actual mandates. The United States Supreme Court has held that the act doesn't provide Indians with substantive rights. Instead, the act is viewed merely as symbolic support for Indian religious freedom rather than an enforceable act.